Getting born in the state of Mississippi. Papa was a copper and mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was swinging a hammer, pressing on a peg when they break the panorama. She never knew that there was anything more than cool. What in the world does your company take me for? Black bandana, sweet Louisiana, robbing a bank in the state of Indiana. She's a runner, rare when it's stunner, or her man was saying, baby, what you gonna? Looking down the barrel of a Hummer 45, just another way to survive. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show me your teeth. She's my priestess, I'm your priest, yeah. She's a lover, baby, and a fighter. Shouldn't see it coming when it got a little brighter. With a name like Danny, California, the day was gonna come when I was gonna mourn you. A little low that she was still enough to breathe. I love my baby to death. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show me your teeth. She's my priestess, I'm your priest, yeah. Who knew the other side of you? Who knew what others died to prove? Two truths to say goodbye to you. Two truths to say. Push the fader, give the animator. One for the now and 11 for the later. Never made it up to Minnesota. Not the kind of man when it's got it for the quarter. Downwind the battling, she was saving the best for last. It only hurts when I laugh. Gone too fast. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show me your teeth. She's my priestess, I'm your priest. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show me your teeth. She's my priestess, I'm your priest, yeah, yeah. Getting born in the state of Mississippi. Papa was a copper and mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was swinging a hammer, pressing on a peg when they break the panorama. She never knew that there was anything more than cool. What in the world does your company take me for? Black bandana, sweet Louisiana, robbing a bank in the state of Indiana. She's a runner, rare when it's stunner, or her man was saying, baby, what you gonna? Looking down the barrel of a Hummer